Today our lesson will be about Arabic plurals. So in Arabic, jama means plural. Al-jama means the plural. So al-jama or the plural is divided into regular or sound and irregular or broken plurals. So regular plurals in Arabic, we call them al-jama as-salim, and irregular plurals, we call them jama taksir. So first of all, let's start by looking at the regular plural. So as you can see, that the regular plural is divided into a male part and a female part. The male part, which is the regular male plural, we call it jama' mudhakkar salim. And the female part, which is the regular female plural, we call it jama' mu'annath salim. Now the jama' mudhakkar salim rule applies for the human male adjectives, traits, and professions. But it doesn't apply for the human male nouns. While the jama' mu'annath salim rule applies for anything that's female, whether human or objects. Okay. So again, the jama' mudhakkar salim applies for only human male traits, adjectives, professions, while the jama' mu'annath salim applies for anything basically that's female. Now the second type of jama' is the irregular or broken or jama' taksir. Taksir means breaking something. So you can guess from its name that we're gonna break the word and add some letters maybe inside it and change some things in the word to make it jama'. Now let's start discussing the regular plurals. Now the regular plurals are divided into male and female, mudhakkar wa mu'annath. Starting by the male part, the jama' mudhakkar salim rule is to add waw and noon, which is un, at the end of the word to make it plural, male regular plural. So I gave you here an example. Al-muallim jamil, the teacher is beautiful. The male teacher, not female. The male teacher is beautiful or nice. Al-muallim jamil, it becomes al-muallimun jamilun. I added un. Al-muallimun jamilun. Now, also, sometimes we add ya wa noon, so it can be al-muallimin instead of al-muallimun. But here in this case, since it's a subject in the sentence, then we add un. But if it was an object in the middle maybe of the sentence, it will be al-muallimin. Now going for the female part, the mu'annath, the rule here is to add alif wa ta, at the end of the word. So let's see the example. I gave the same example that I gave in the male part. Instead of al-muallim, I wrote al-muallima, adding a ta marbuta to make it female. Jamila, also adding a ta marbuta to the adjective. So al-muallima jamila, it becomes al-muallimat jamilat. You remove the ta marbuta and you add alif wa ta, which is at. So it becomes al-muallimat jamilat. So that's it with the regular plurals. Let's move on to the irregular plurals. Now going for the irregular plurals or the jama' taksir, and as I said before, taksir means breaking the word. By breaking, I mean maybe adding some letters in the middle of the word, or adding some letters in the beginning or in the end, or removing some letters from the original word. So we're literally breaking and changing the word. Now there are over 15 rules to make irregular plurals in Arabic, but you will have a group of words following the same rule or pattern. So this will help you actually while memorizing irregular plurals. So I advise you to take every group of words which follow the same rule and memorize them together. And that is actually what I've done here. I grouped every two words which follow the same rule together to help you understand what does it mean to have a pattern in irregular plurals. So starting with the first two words, which is Medina and Safina. Medina means city. The plural of Medina is mudun. Mudun. As you can see, I removed the ta marbuta and the ya, and I changed also the tashkil or al-harakat or the vowels, and instead of fatha it becomes a damma on the meme, and the dal also takes a damma, and the noon is like sukoon, so it becomes mudun. Medina, mudun. Same thing with safina. Safina, sufun. Safina means ship. Sufun, ships. Safina, sufun. Also, we removed the ta marbuta and the ya, and we changed the tashkil. Instead of fatha becomes like two dammas and then sukun. So, Medina, mudun, cities. Safina, sufun, ships. Now, you might ask me here, why didn't we use the female rule, the regular female rule, which is جمع مؤنث سالم? Why didn't we use it here? Medina is a female and it's not human, and you said we can use this rule also for objects or non-human things, and Safina also as well is female. Why didn't we use it? I'm gonna tell you that not all objects take the regular female rule. Some objects also take the jama' taksir rule. Now going for the second rule, which is qalam, aqlam. Qalam means pen. Remember I told you in the last lesson? Qalam becomes aqlam, pens. And the rule is to add an alif in the beginning of the word and add another alif after the second letter. And also the first letter will take a sukoon instead of a fatha, as you can see. So, qalam, aqlam, we add two alifs, one in the beginning, one after the second letter, and the first letter will be a sukoon. So, qalam, aqlam, alam, which means flag, it becomes a'lam, flags. Now the third rule, mat'am, which means restaurant, it becomes mata'im. Mata'im. We added an alif only after the second letter. So mat'am, mata'im. And also take care how the tashkil is changing. Mata'im. Madrasa, madaris. Madrasa, which means school. Madaris, schools. Madrasa is a female. We remove the ta marbuta and we add an alif after the second letter. So, مطعم, مطاعم, madrasa, madaris. Now going for the last rule for today. عين, أعين, شهر, أشهر. عين is eye, شهر is month. عين, أعين, eyes, شهر, أشهر, months. We added only one alif in the beginning, and the second letter will take a dhamma and the first letter will take a sukoon. So عين, أعين, شهر, أشهر. Just a quick reminder is that you have to take care that you might find some exceptions in every rule. For example, the regular male rule, which is the jama' mudhakkar salim. I told you that you have to add waw wa noon to the human male adjectives, professions, and traits. But here in this example, tabib is a male doctor and its plural is أطباء not طبيبون. So this is a kind of an exception. So you have to take care. The rules don't apply for all the words though. Now your homework is to convert these words to plural and tell me which rule does it follow, and if it's جمع تكسير, tell me what rule does it follow also in the جمع تكسير. So the words are فلاح, a male farmer, مهندسة, a female engineer, طاولة, a table, بيت, a house, حقيبة, a bag. So you can tell me your answers for the homework in the comments below, or you can send it as a message on my Facebook page, whatever you like. And I'm gonna put the right answers in the next video inshallah. And now I'm gonna tell you see you soon. أراكم قريبا. And don't forget the homework. لا تنسوا الواجب. To receive notifications for my upcoming videos and for my live YouTube videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also you can like my Facebook page Arabic Lessons with Nada. And also you can follow me on Instagram Arabic__lessons, and it's the same link on Twitter.